Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2010 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. Match the logic gates in column A with their equivalents in column B. Column A and column B are going to be equivalent gates. We have to match them. So first of all, look at the column A and in that one P expression if you are going with expression for P, assume that one all inputs for all the gates are going to be A and B. Okay, assume inputs for all the gates is A and B. So the expression for P in column A can be written as A plus B, can be written as A plus B whole bar. You can write A plus B whole bar is nothing but it can be written as using De Morgan's law A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar is nothing but it is a AND function with complemented A and B. So A, B are going to be gets complemented. Here you are going to get this one. This is A bar dot B bar. So P will be matched with 4. P will be matched with 4. That implies nothing but P is going to be matching with 4. Next, Q. If you are going to be looking at Q expression for this one is nothing but A into B whole bar because it is an AND gate. Okay, Q expression in column A is nothing but AB bar. That is nothing but we can write it as A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar is nothing but this is OR gate with complemented inputs. That is nothing but here you will get it as A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. So Q is going to be matching with 2. P4 and Q2. Next, you should go for this one. Okay. And next one is R. R if you are going with the expression for R is nothing but A exclusive B. A exclusive B can be written as okay A exclusive B and A exclusive B can be written as A bar. Okay, look at this one. A exclusive B can be written as A XNOR B whole bar and A XNOR B can be written as okay and A XNOR B can be written as A bar exclusive B. Okay, A XNOR B is nothing but A bar exclusive B, or you can also write it as A exclusive B bar for XNOR. So that implies nothing but A exclusive B is going to be equal to XNOR operation of okay A bar exclusive B. That implies nothing but you can write it as A bar exclusive B or A XNOR B bar. So A exclusive B is equal to A bar XNOR B, otherwise A exclusive B is equal to A XNOR B bar. So the expressions what you are going to get is nothing but here this is A bar and it is B. So here you are going to get A bar XNOR B. A bar XNOR B. So R is going to be matching with 3. R is matching with 3 and S is going to be S is nothing but A XNOR B. A XNOR B can be written as A XNOR B. Just now here written A XNOR B can be written as A bar exclusive B or A exclusive B bar. That is nothing but here. The leftover is nothing but 1. For this one you can write it as for this one it is A exclusive B bar which is nothing but S. So S will be loaded with 1. P4 Q2 R3 S1. So the right option for this question is D. The right option is D. Thank you.